Hey guys, so the on-chain withdrawal for XEmpire is now live. You can claim and withdraw to any of these exchanges, Bybit, Bitget, KuCoin, and what have you. So I'll just go into the process and show you how to withdraw to Bybit and Bitget exchanges. So this is me hoping. I've not even checked my allocation. And don't be disappointed if you're not seeing a whole lot for my allocation. Okay, wow, this is what I have. I don't know what this was because I faded a lot of things about this XEmpire. I was not consistent with it. I was not tapping a lot. I was not doing the tax and all of those things. I didn't even purchase. I only meted voucher. I meted voucher. But when it comes to all these use stone to do this one, use stone to do that one, I faded with my full chest. I said it, I don't want to use my tone except for gas fee. So this is what we have here. Is listing on the 24th of this month. So we have OKX, Bitget, and okay, which one is AB Exchange? I don't know them. on-chain airdrop and okay. All right, let's go right into it. If you are withdrawing to your, I'm seeing my allocation already. If you are withdrawing to your, what's it called? I'm seeing details 130, phase 1069, 1 NFT meted. Minus 69. What's this? How did they calculate this thing? They shall give me 61,000 X. Okay, I do hope this works a lot. Alright, so withdraw to Bybit Exchange. All you need to do is to come to this Bybit. You have it, then I'll click on I have it. You see, Bybit brings you closer to okay. And you copy your Bybit UID, the X deposit address, then the memo. Then you click on save and choose. October 18th at 6 p.m. UTC deposit starts. October 23rd at 9 a.m. UTC deposit end. So if you are withdrawing to any of these exchanges, you have from now till on the 23rd of this month of October to withdraw to any of the exchanges of your choice. Then October 24th at 12 p.m. UTC, you get your airdrop. 12 p.m. UTC on the 24th of this month, you get your airdrop to the exchange that you choose. So now let's go to the Bybit exchange and see how to copy this. So on Bybit, this is the Bybit app. If you are yet to have an account, check the registration link in the description box of this video. Then you must have a verified account, must have completed your KYC 1 and 2. Then you click on deposit crypto. You see what I selected? Deposit, then deposit crypto. Then I'm going to search here for X. Okay, you put X there and scroll down a bit. You're seeing XEmpire below this page, undertone blockchain. If you are withdrawing to exchange, you don't need to pay gas fee. They will send it directly to the exchange. But if you are withdrawing to your wallet, then you'll be needing tone gas fee to claim to your wallet. So that's the difference. So this is what you need to withdraw to Bybit. The wallet address, this is wallet address. You copy the wallet address, then come here, you paste it under X deposit address. I want to withdraw to Bitget. I don't want to withdraw to Bybit. Then Bybit UID. Okay, let's do the memo first. For memo /tag, you copy it and you paste it under memo. For UID, this is the tag /memo. This is what you are copying and you are pasting it here. Wallet address, you copy and paste it under the X deposit address. Then for Bybit UID, you go back. You see where you are seeing your UID. This is where you see your UID. You copy the UID, this UID, then you paste it in. So this is how to withdraw to Bybit. If you are withdrawing to Bitget, this is for Bitget. Let me close anyways. If you are withdrawing to Bitget, you also just similar process as well. So if you are withdrawing to Bitget Exchange, you come to Bitget here. Yes, I have it. Make sure you have your account on Bitget and you are verified on Bitget. So you go to Bitget Exchange here. On the home page, you click on Add Funds. Then you select deposit crypto. Then I will search for X. You say XEmpire. Automatically, it's bringing the Tone coin as the network. So for Bitget, you don't need a memo because this is not having a memo address. This is the address for Bitget Exchange. And under the XEmpire too, you see there is no memo. So for Bitget Exchange, you don't need a memo. You see this? It's just the address. You see, I'll just copy the address and that's all. And your UID. I'll paste the address here. For Bitget, no memo required. For Bybit, you need a memo. So you have to copy the memo you are seeing on Bybit too. So then I'll go to what's it called? To copy my UID. So you go to the profile page to copy your UID. So this is the UID on the top of the page here on Bitget. You see copied. Then you paste. So this is how to withdraw to Bitget Exchange. I'll just click on save and choose. Save and choose, and that's all. So just to double check, my UID 70, okay, 46, and this is okay. So this, just to double check my address and what have you. So this is it. That's all. I think we are good now. So save and choose. Okay, so this is it. Since you can still reset the withdrawal option before 23rd. Yeah, before 23rd, you can still reset if you want to change exchange. If you want to change exchange, you can still reset. You just come here to click on reset withdrawal option. Also guys, there is this new game to earn rewards on Gateio. You are saying check soda to win big. If I click on let's go, you see the link to join this check to win in the description box of this video. If the link is not opening, just make use of a VPN to access the link. And if you are yet to sign up on any of these exchanges too, Bitget, Bybit, Gateio, check the registration links in the description box of this video. If the links are not opening for some countries, make use of a VPN to access the link. Then off your VPN, go to Play Store or App Store, download the app, Gateio Exchange app, Bybit Exchange app, Bitget Exchange app. Download the apps, log in, and complete your KYC 1 and 2. You definitely need all of this exchange for selling, trading, and what have you. So for this check soda to win big, you just access the website. It's a game and it's fun. It's free to access. So I'll just click on check now. It's a website link you have to do. So you might be needing a VPN to access this link. It's just a game and you can win anything here on this. So it's loading. Let's see how to shake and win. Okay, long press the button and release to open soda. I think my network is kind of slow. This is what they ask you to do. You long press this button and release. It's still loading. My network is kind of slow. This is just a game and it started on the 18th of October and it will be ending on 27th of October. It's just a 1 week game thing that you can do to earn. It's free, so you can participate in this to earn rewards. It says splash carnival, check the soda, split $20,000 mega rewards. That's just it. It's just a game to play on this website, sponsoring by Gateio, and that's all. And if you're yet to join my Telegram community, guys, check the link to my Telegram channel in the description box of this video or the pin post in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel, sign up on any of these exchanges, complete your KYC, join my Telegram community, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my back-to-back updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.